Hello everyone. Welcome. Are you having trouble connecting to your server via SSH? Seeing that dreaded connection timed out error? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll troubleshoot this common problem in Ubuntu. We'll explore the most likely causes and provide simple solutions. Let's get started. First, let's understand what the error means. Connection timed out basically says your computer tried to reach the server but didn't get a response within a certain time frame. This suggests something is blocking the connection. Now, let's jump into the troubleshooting steps. 1. Check your network connection. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. Are you connected to the internet? Can you browse websites? Try pinging a public website like google.com. Open a terminal and type ping google.com. If you don't get a response, the problem might be with your internet connection itself. Fix that before moving on. 2. Verify the hostname or IP address. Make sure you are using the correct hostname or IP address. A simple typo can prevent the connection. Double-check your spelling and the IP address in your SSH command. Use the correct credentials. 3. Check the port number. SSH usually runs on port 22. But, it can be configured to use a different port. Ensure you are using the correct port. If it's not 22, specify it using the P flag in your SSH command like this, sshp, port_number, username and hostname. 4. The server might be down. The server you're trying to connect to might be offline. There is not much you can do on your side. You can try to reach the administrator to confirm. 5. Check the server's firewall. The server's firewall might be blocking incoming SSH connections. This is a very common cause. If you have access to the server, check its firewall settings. In Ubuntu, you might be using of. Use the command sudo of status to see if the firewall is enabled. If it is, ensure that SSH is allowed. If the SSH is not allowed, you can allow it by using this command sudo of allow SSH. If you are using a different firewall, consult its documentation for allowing SSH connections. 6. Check your local firewall. Your local firewall might also be blocking outgoing SSH connections. In Ubuntu, you can manage your firewall using of. Check if outgoing connections on port 22 are allowed. If you're unsure, try temporarily disabling your local firewall to see if that resolves the issue. Be careful doing this, and re-enable it afterwards. You can disable the firewall by running sudo of disable, and enable it by running sudo of enable. 7. Network issues between you and the server. There may be network issues between your computer and the server. This could involve routers or intermediate firewalls blocking the connection. Unfortunately, this is a harder problem to diagnose and might require help from your internet service provider or the server administrator. By systematically checking these points, you should be able to identify the cause of the connection timed out error and get your SSH connection working. That's it for this troubleshooting guide. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by buying me a coffee. Every little bit helps me create more content like this. Also, please leave a comment below if you have any questions or other troubleshooting tips. Your support is greatly appreciated.